In today's video, we have 5 questions. 1. Which weapon did Ivan use? 2. Why did he choose that weapon? 3. What was fireproof? 4. What was the dragon doing when Ivan went inside? And 5. Why did Ivan go into the cave? Let's go. Today, my name is Ivan and I'm in a dragon's cave. Okay, which weapon do you think I should use? Should I use the sword and shield? Or should I use the bow and arrows? Maybe I should use the magic staff. Yeah, I think I should use the magic staff because I can be far away from the dragon and I can use lots of different spells. Okay, now, what should I wear? Do you think I should wear the really heavy armor or the cape? Well, with the heavy armor, I will move very slowly. So I think I should wear the cape. I should wear the cape. Okay, I've got the magic staff, the cape, and now I'm ready to go inside the cave. I should walk slowly. I don't want to wake up the dragon. I am going to use the spell that makes the dragon freeze. Congelis! That should work. Suddenly, 3 baby dragons appear and they breathe fire at me. I turn around. I touch myself. I'm okay. Awesome! My cape is fireproof! Congelis! I freezed the baby dragons. Okay. They shouldn't move for at least 30 minutes. Sparky! Come on, boy! This is my dog, Sparky. Sparky, he should not go into dragon caves. Ahora, responde las preguntas con respuestas, con frases completas. Entonces, en vez de responder a la pregunta ¿qué vio Iván en la cueva? Pues que no pongas dragones. Pon Iván o él vio un dragón, unos dragones. Una frase completa con una persona, con un verbo y la cosa. Ok, tú puedes. Good luck.